Hello everyone, we are Team Vision. I am Jayalalitha.
I'm Mohit.
I am Sudhit from Grade 6 Excel Public School, Purgali, Mysore, Karnataka.
The theme we have chosen is development. Our problem statement is to design a solution to develop public transportation in India.
Buses play a major role in transportation for people in India. Since many people cannot afford private transportation, there is a need for public transportation in India.
In India, there were 17,56,667 buses in 2016. But people face a lot of problems while boarding buses. We visited some bus stops near our home and school. We surveyed 20 people, and based on our survey, 80% of the people have said that buses do not arrive on time, and 20% of the people have said that buses come on time. When we asked people if they follow the queue while boarding the bus, 100% of the people said that they don't follow the queue.
Some of the problems are as follows. Congestion at bus stops. People run towards the bus to board it, and this causes accidents. People rush in and out of the bus while boarding and deboarding. People get delayed in reaching their destination. We have designed a portable bus stop in such a way as to avoid congestion and accidents while boarding and deboarding.
The bus stop design comes with 3 open doors, one for exit and the other 2 doors for entering the buses from the sitting area, as this design of doors reduces the congestion while boarding and deboarding. Also, this design helps in reducing the accidents that happen due to congestion. This bus stop design helps people to follow the queue system while boarding and deboarding. It comes with transparent walls that help people to see the buses which are coming towards the bus stop. The partition walls inside do not reach the ceiling for easy ventilation purposes.
The model has 2 closed-circuit cameras which will send feeds to the nearest traffic police to avoid vandalism. It has an attached solar panel on the roof for generating electricity which can be used to light up lights in the bus stop during night time. The smart bus stop is movable so that in case of expanding roads, the bus stop can be temporarily moved instead of demolishing the bus stop.
Our model reduces CO2 emissions by increasing capacity in transit corridors and providing faster and more attractive transportation options. It can also reduce the number of cars on the road and idling in traffic. I did research document and helped in making the model.
I did the secondary research and helped in making the model.
I did the survey and helped in consolidating the results.
Thank
Thank you.